a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Supra. The Toyota Supra features a futuristic style sports coupe. It has an easy-to-drive nature and powerful engine. The Supra has acquired a reputation for excellent reliability. If you are nostalgic, then this is the perfect find for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.